Everyone, how to tutors back with another new video. In this video I'll guide you how to use QANDA AI homework assistant. So first of all, you need to install this app in your device, then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account, and okay, I'm just giving allow. So you can see here you can create an account three ways: continue Google or continue Facebook. If you tap it continue other, then you can see here you can continue with mobile number, continue with email. So I prefer continue with Google. It's really easy and simple. So simply tap on the continue with Google. So after log in your account, you can see here, please let us know your user type. So you can see here like student, next, okay, get started. It's really easy. So please provide your grade information. You can see here whose grade you are. So I'm just going something, next. And what is your gender? You can select your gender and academic level. You can choose according to your level, and it's really easy and simple to get started. And after that, you will see here, this is the interface. It's really easy to use. You just need to things, instant answer, you can see, and they're solving it. If you tap continue, okay, continue, you can see here history, English, math, social studies, science, English, everything is available here. So this is the interface. You can see deep thinking. Okay, so it's not free, like you'll get here some feature, but if you want to get all the feature, then okay. So this is the thing, try later. Okay, so you can see here, this is the camera picture. If you want to capture anything like any math from your books or paper, you can select this one. Or if you chat here, you can type, okay, you can type what's the name of PM USA, something like this. I'm just typing, and they give you the, you can see here, premium, okay, share with parents. Okay, you can see that United doesn't have a prime minister. The head of the US government is president. You can see here, if you make any mistake, they correct you. And you can see here as a January 2020, Donald Trump is the 47th president of the United States. So you can see here, you can anything, like if you tap here study, you can see make quiz, problem solving, check answer, and formula calculator, translation, everything. If you tap the menu, you can see here different things, user and teacher and question and ask. You can check here, actually it's really easy to use, and your account is here. So actually this way you can use this app.